All right guys, what's new from Dynojet today? We have our updated Kawasaki KRX1000 Clutch Kit coming to you right now. This new clutch kit features a very engineered solution to the problematic KRX that has a tendency to eat the back of these weights. It also will kind of egg out some of the components on the clutch. This new Dynojet clutch kit serves to solve a lot of those problems. It features these black oxide coated weights, each with a thrust washer that goes on each side of the clutch. This helps reduce resistance as it swings within your clutch as you proceed through the power band. It also comes with new retaining rings for each side of the pin that goes through, and the magnets to let you adjust for your RPM that you need. So whether you're running big tires, sand, your high elevation, low elevation, this clutch kit is what you need to get more miles out of your KRX. Reduce the wear, improve shift out, and have a great time out driving.